What is up, guys? If you install comfyui-manager for the first time, you might have this issue where it blocks you when you are trying to install a custom node via Git URL. Let's see an example. The session is not allowed with this security level configuration. Okay, first, what you need to do is to stop comfyui. I am using stability magic, so I just click stop. Then you need to open comfyui installation folder. Go to user, default, comfyui-manager. Here, the file that we need. Open this in Notepad and find security level. Edit the value from normal to weak and save the file. Okay, now you can try to launch comfyui again. Okay, let's refresh this. Open manager. Let's try again. Install via Git URL. And your problem is solved.